So one of my favorite new things in 2018 is the ability to create new reference plane styles. So if I come in here to my reference planes, I've now got new subcategory available. So I'm going to create a new one here called core, and I'm going to make it quite chunky and a nice sort of bright blue perhaps, or bright purple. Set it as a separate line style. You see now I've got two reference plane types. So I've got my standard green reference plane, and I can also change the category of this to core, and then in this case I'll mark out where the core of my stairs are, and I can use this to determine over levels for alignment where specific objects are, and have some more specific information. Rather than just having lots of reference planes with names, I can graphically determine what the reference plane's usage is for. I do highly recommend giving your reference planes names. Side of stairs here. You generally then, if you are intersecting that reference plane somewhere else, you want to know what it's for, you can tell. It's also a good idea to set the 3D extents of this relative to the objects it relates to. If you go into a model and you find this reference plane going all the way over here, but it actually really is about this stair alignment, then it'll start showing up in all kinds of other views. So if we go to this other view, you can see that the reference plane is showing up in this view, which we don't want it to. Jump back here to the plan and pull those extents down to the objects that it relates to. When we go back into this section view now, we can see that that reference plane is no longer cluttering this view. This also applies to the height extent of the reference plane.